Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Yaqub. I'm starting a new STM tutorial series and it's going to be about this Nucleo board. Just to keep people up with this, I know there are many people who prefer to use the Nucleo as a starting point, so this one just a little contribution to the STM open source community. If you like what I'm doing, I want to see more videos like this, don't forget to share it with a friend, like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, at this first tutorial, I would like to show you how to blink an LED. The board has got a green LED that I'm going to show you how to blink. I'm going to be using CubeMX to generate my main code, and we'll use Keil Microvision as my main IDE. If you don't have these two softwares, just pause the video here and install them. It's very straightforward. I'm sure you can manage. Right, so let's make a start and open CubeMX then. And on CubeMX, first click on New Project, and now we need to select the board. So go to Board Selector tab, and it's an ST Microelectronics. It's a Nucleo 64. And it's F41. It's the F401, this one. And on here, I first want to clear all the pinouts, and I want to enable my own. So clear pinouts. And I know that the LED, the green LED, is connected to BA5. So I'm going to hit this and select the mode to be GPIO output. So this one is the digital output mode. And we can have a look at the schematics to confirm this. On the pinout you can see that LED 1 is connected to PA5 on the STM connector, and it's on D13 on the Arduino connector though. Alright, and the user push button is connected to PC13, but we're not going to use this now, so that's all we need to enable. I'm going to go to the clock configuration as well. And on here I don't want to use the maximum clock, just use the internal oscillator directly on a 16 megahertz. And that's all we need to do here. So we're ready to generate the source code. Click on this icon and give the project, select a location to store the project in. I want to store it at this Nucleo STM folder and give the project a name. I'm going to call it LED tutorial. Select the right IDE, going to be Keil Microvision 5, and click OK. And once the source code is generated, click on Open Project, and this will take you directly to your Keil Microvision project. And on Keil Microvision, first expand the project folder here, application user, and open the main. And you can see CubeMX generated all the configuration functions for us, the GPIO init, the system clock configuration, as you can see here, GPIO. And all we need to do here is just now to start writing our main code. And what we're going to do is we want to toggle PA5 every 500 millisecond. To toggle a pin state, use a function called HAL GPIO toggle pin. This function takes few parameters. Take the port, so this one on port A, so GPIO A, and the pin number, which is GPIO pin 5. And then a delay of 500 milliseconds using the HAL delay function. And that's everything we need to do. So let's compile the code. You compile by hitting on this icon. Alright, great. Compiled successfully without any errors. Now connect your board via the mini USB and click on this icon to load it to the board. Now we're going to have a look at the LED on the board. Alright, very good. I can see the green LED blinking at 500 millisecond rate on the board. And that's all I want to show you today. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.